وصلی اللہ علی النبی الکریم محمد وآلہ وآصحابہ اجمعین. We were talking about rad or return of the remaining assets to those who inherited their due shares. Why? Because there is no residue. So when residue is not there, so the remaining assets will go back to the same sharer to the extent of their shares. So in this regard, we mentioned that originally there was no return to spouse, mean to husband and wife, but only according to Sayyidina Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala An. Because return to Jamhur, that is based upon a blood relation, and relation of spouses to one another is not a blood relation, that is a contract relation. They are related to one another based on what? Based on a marriage contract. So it means that if somebody passed away and he left his wife only, does not have any kids or grandkids, no any other inheritor, a sharer or a residue, the wife will take 1/4 of the property, and the remaining 3/4 originally, that was the case, will go to the Baitul Mal al-Muslimin, to the national exchequer of Islamic State. Got it?
Yes.
If the case is that of a husband who stayed behind his dead wife, so he will take half of the property and half will go to the Baitul Mal. Got it? If somebody left behind his wife and one daughter, now the wife is taking 1/8 and the daughter is taking 1/2. So the assets will be made 8 shares. So 1 share will go to the wife and 4 will go to the daughter. The remaining 3, as the wife is not a sharer, where the return will take place in her case, so the remaining 3 will go to the daughter. Got it?
Yes.
So now, the saying of Osman is taken into consideration when there is no any other sharer. If other sharer is there, so then there is no return on wife and husband. Got it?
Yeah.
And also, there is the mazhab of Abdullah ibn Abbas Raziyallahu Ta'ala An. He does not say any return or grandmother as well. Grandmother may be from father's side or from mother's side. Got it?
Yeah.
That's the mazhab of Abdullah ibn Abbas. He says that the spouse and the grandmother. But the mazhab of Jamhur is only the spouse. So that's why if somebody passed away and he left behind one sister from mother's side and a grandmother, so now if sister and brother is one from mother's side, he or she will take 1/6 of the property, and the grandmother is taking 1/6 as well. So basically the assets would be made 6 shares. One will go to the sister and 1 share will go to the grandmother. According to Ibn Abbas, as there is no return on grandmother, so now the 4 shares which remained, it will go to the sister. But that's not the mazhab of any imam. So that's why we say that here the return will take place in case of sister and grandmother both. So the property would be made 2 shares. So half will go to the sister and half will go to the grandmother. Got it? The next case is Zayd passed away and he left behind his mother, 1 brother and 1 sister from mother's side. Now recall your mind that the mother, she has how many halat, ahwal, situations that was in the very beginning classes. Got it? That the mother will be taking 1/3 if no children or no brethren, more than 1. No brethren, more than 1, or children. If there is 1 brother or 1 sister, so still she will be taking 1/3. Got it? But if the deceased has the kids or grandkids, or he has more than 1 brother or 1 sister, 2 or 3, so then the mother will take 1/6. So now here there is 1 brother and 1 sister, so it means more than 1. When that's more than 1, so what will be the share of the mother? 1/6. And we mentioned before in ahwal that brothers and sisters from mother's side, one is their case of deprivation in certain circumstances, that they are deprived. Yes? And when they are taking, so they are taking either 1/6 if that is 1, or 1/3 if they are more than 1. So here they are more than 1, so they will take 1/3. So now the property would be made 6 shares. 1 will go to the mother. Got it? And as we mentioned before, that brothers and sisters from mother's side, that is one of those unique cases where the male and female both are taking equal share. Got it? So now, it means that 1/3 of the property, which is 2, so that will go to the brother and sister. 1 share the brother will take, 1 the sister will take. So now 3 shares remains. It will go to the same 3 people as well. So that's why we are going big and we are making the shares as 3 from the very beginning. So the whole property would be made 3 shares. 1 will go to the mother, 1 will go to the brother, 1 will go to the sister. Another case, Zayd passed away and he left behind one daughter and one daughter of son. So now, if there is one daughter, so she is taking half, and daughter of son, 1/6. Yeah, takmilatal lis-sulsain. So the actual case will be what? from 6. Yes? So, 3 shares will go to the daughter, and 1 share will go to daughter of son. So 2 are remaining there, and both of them are those sharers where in their case the return will take place. Got it? So that's why totally what they took, that is 3 plus 1, 4. So we will make the very distribution from 4. 3 will go to the daughter and 1 will go to the granddaughter. Got it? The next case is Zayd passed away and he left behind 2 daughters and 1 mother. Now, in case where the deceased has left kids, so the mother will take 1/6, and these are 2 daughters, they will take 2/3. So now 1/6 is the denominator. So basically we will make the property to 6 shares. So 4 shares will go to the 2 daughters and 1 share will go to the mother. 1 will remain. It will go on the same proportion to the same 3 people. Got it? Because both are, yes, both categories are of those where return is taking place in their case. So that's why we are going back, making the shares from very beginning 5. How many? 5. So 2 will go to daughter, 2 will go to the other daughter, 4, and 1 will go to the mother.